Every year around the Christmas time you put your silver and your gold on the Christmas tree. But maybe once in a while you also want to secure your tokens on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano. You already have installed an online wallet in your browser, Brave browser maybe, but I would rather do it with the Firefox and the MetaMask instead of the Brave browser with the BAT token. It's better to have Firefox and MetaMask. Let's open the Firefox. Now the question is, how can you connect or send your online tokens to the hardware wallet in Ledger or in Trezor? Because in the online wallet the private key is not secure. It was on the internet, you saw the words and somebody could spy it out, but with the hardware wallet they are on the chip and they go never to the internet because your hardware wallet is much more secure. So you need an account for the hardware wallet. You go where the color is and then you find the menu where you can choose. You see I already have online account, MetaMask, and then I have one hardware wallet account. Create the account. This gives you just another online account. Connect hardware wallet. That's the way you have to go. You want to connect the hardware wallet, you can choose your Trezor or your Ledger. Trezor opens a software, another connection. You have to install some kind of a bridge, and in Ledger when you connect there also comes some information up there which says you should connect now your hardware wallet to the computer. You go there, you put this in, and then you open it. You go to the Ethereum app, you have to open the Ethereum app. You have also to allow the contract data in the Ethereum app if you want to have the tokens within this app. And then you can act, and you can even act between your accounts. First you have an empty account, your hardware wallet, you must send from somewhere some Ethereum to your hardware wallet so it can act and lock in contracts, stake or unstake something. And if you want to send, you can also transfer between accounts. This is a very cool feature. You can choose your accounts, you can go from one to the other, and you can even send the tokens with your account. I change the account, I go to my hardware, then I want to send something. I send some thing to the account, and I don't want to send Ethereum. You want to move your hex tokens. I can send the hex tokens to another account. Well, this is the way to the internet, to the MetaMask wallet, but you want to send it from your MetaMask wallet to your hardware wallet. Then you can stake there. Remember here to choose your fee. If you go to the slow one, you can choose the advanced options, and you can take the minimum 1, the gas minimum of 1, which gives you the lowest price around 1 cent. Below 1 is very risky, it will stuck and you will have problems. So this is a very cool feature here. It was invented in 2019, I think. It's some innovation in the crypto world to use a hardware wallet, to have your tokens in it and to stake it with the MetaMask. But the MetaMask is used as a software and you act with your hardware wallet. This is very cool to do.